Hey guys, we're in the shop today and we have a chainsaw here. We're going to be taking the bar and chain off and demonstrating how to take it on and off. So let's get started. So we got our 303T little climbing saw, but first you'll take these two bolts off and just loosen them up all the way off. Alright, so we got those off and we're just going to loosen it up a little bit, just so there's not a whole lot of tension on the bar. And then we'll pop this cover off, just like so. So we got that off, set that aside. On this one, we got to bring our bar back, loosens up the chain, and then we'll, get it off the bar, like so. And then you just bring it around this here, and get it off that. So the chain's off, the bar slides right off, and if you're gonna keep the bar, just clean this up a little bit, clean the cracks. If you don't have one of these, go to your local chainsaw store, and it's called a scrunch, but you can slide it right through the cracks, clean out whatever's in here, whatever, on both sides. And then clean up that, clean up all this, and we'll clean this up and get right back to you. Alright, so now that we got that cleaned and this cleaned here, we can go ahead and put the bar on. So slide that right on there, bring it all the way back, and we're just reusing our chain since it's still sharp. But so with this chain, you'll have your brand new chain, obviously. When you put it on, make sure the teeth are going this way. You don't want them going the opposite way. You don't want it like that. So just like so. And with this one, you got to bring it around here first, get it around that, and then put it on the bar. With the bar being all the way back, it goes around the tip, and then you can bring out the bar and tighten it up. Make sure the chain is in the bar correctly before the next step, just like so. So now once you got the bar and chain on, just like so, then you can grab your cover and you'll line this up with the hole right there, and then obviously put these two through the hole on the cover. So we'll do that quick, just like so. So then once you get to here, I like to put these on just a little bit, not too tight just yet, just hand tight. And then once you get here, I like to tighten this up with my scrunch to where I want it. So as it's going up, it's tightening, obviously. Get it to where you guys like it. I kind of like it right about there, where the end of the teeth just kind of meet the top of the bar. I'd say that's pretty good. So now, when I go to tighten it, I like to put some pressure on it as I tighten it, just in case it has a little bit of slack. It tightens all the way up. So as I tighten it, I'm applying a little pressure, and then you'll tighten this all the way up. You can do a little bit. Get as tight as you can, and then and the second one, make sure you get tight as well. You don't want them bolts coming off. That has happened before. So tighten it, and you should be good. Chain's where I like it, nice and tight. So that is how you change a bar and chain on a chainsaw. Thanks for watching.